we are going to make some jelly, mango jelly. You can see here. So, what again? Oh, so we had to pour the jelly mix inside, but we already opened it. See, and we poured all the contents inside. Contents means like all the powder. So I poured it all in here. I had to mix it, and then we had to pour like 500 liters of water, which already my mom did, and also
I already boiled it, and we have to let it cool for a minute. Okay, so the water is ready here, Tia. And show your molds. I can see some nice molds there.
So we have a donut mold for jelly, a cupcake mold for a jelly, and then we'll put the rest into these two bowls.
Awesome. Now I'll pour this water because it's pretty
so
hot.
My mom is gonna pour the water inside the gelatin. I'll mix it.
Oh, look at the color.
It's turning more.
You'll have to stir it. Keep stirring.
Yes, hello.
See that it's properly dissolving.
Yes,
can I have a look?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm dissolving.
Keep stirring.
Oh.
I think that's enough, right?
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Okay, so let's pour it into the molds.
How? With this bowl?
Yeah. Try to do it neatly. And it could be a little hot, so be careful.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Can you hold it, Mama?
Let me hold that for you. Yeah, leave it. I got it. Please don't pour on my fingers. Yeah, that's enough. No, it's enough. The donut will not come otherwise. Pour some of this.
Jelly. This is how proper jelly is supposed to look like.
That's enough. Pour the whole thing. Yeah, that's enough. It's pretty hot.
Now for the bowls.
Yeah, this we can
Which I can just
directly pour. Should I do it?
Yeah, please do it.
So I'm going to
I
pour
won't show you in the video, Mama.
some of it here. Some of it here. I need a bigger bowl. Oh, looks like it's full. You can see all the yellow. Let me get another bowl.
It is so good. I already smelled mango.
You can smell the mango. Sorry. And then we'll pour the rest
Excuse
into
my
this bowl. There we go. It's all set. Now we leave it out. They said in 45 minutes it should set in room temperature.
Yeah.
And then we can put it in the fridge and then eat it. Only then it will be tasty if it's cold. Okay? Alright then. We'll show you once the whole jelly is set.
Yes.
Yeah? Alright. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Till then I'll go have a fan break. Bye. Hi everyone. Welcome back. So we waited for a couple of hours to so the jelly will actually set. And so the jelly will set and see how
Is it nice and bouncy?
Yes, ready.
Okay.
And so now we're gonna turn it upside down and see how the jelly works.
Awesome. Let's see if it works.
Yes.
Do it quickly.
What? No.
Might have to give it a little tap, tap, tap.
Huh? Stuck. Okay, now see. Wow! It's pretty.
That looks like a donut.
Can I fix it a little? Okay, I can't.
Yeah.
Now for this. Up this well. Come on. Come on.
Gently.
Hey, don't want to move. It's not coming out.
Oh, there you go. It broke?
No, it didn't. It's upside down.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me help you.
Get it. You're flexible. Wait,
There you go.
I want to eat the onion ring, the yellow onion ring.
So it came out well. The jelly was a success, wasn't it?
Yeah, last time it came as a fail.
Yeah, so this
And now
time
it's
we...
a success. I love it.
Yay!
Yay,
See you.
bye.
Bye-bye.